In today's video, we are definitely discussing, you guessed it, silk press season. I do have some pro tips to help you guys get the best silk press ever. Keep on watching. Okay, so I just hopped out of the shower because I wanted to share what I was washing my hair with today to prep us for the perfect silk press. If you haven't heard about pros, I don't know where you've been. You're definitely missing out because they are one of the best hair care companies out on the market today. And Pros is a customized hair care company. They formulate your products to meet your specific needs and your lifestyle. If you haven't heard about them, I will leave a link below. I love their high quality ingredients and my ability to update my schedule and my lifestyle so that my products can keep up with me and my life. I shampooed and conditioned with them. I also deep conditioned with them. So I have a deep conditioner from them as well. So that's what I'm nourishing my hair with right now. And then I'm gonna go and rinse it out. And then I will be back to blow dry. If you want me to do a more in-depth video on just my overall thoughts about Pros, definitely leave a comment below. I would be more than happy to do that because I do love their company and I love their products a lot. And I've recommended them to a lot of people and I haven't heard anything bad about them yet. So, okay. So I just rinsed out my deep conditioner from Pros. Now I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner from them as well. I'm gonna do 2 pumps for the entire head, 1 pump for the entire head. And then I'm going to go in with my Mizani Press Agent Blow Dry Styling Cream. I love this. This is like such a staple. Every curly girl should have something like this. A quick pro tip, on wash day when you are prepping for your silk press, your key in that foundation just being solid is going to be within your products. A product that's going to reduce frizz, help with smoothing and reducing our natural curl texture is what you want. People will ask me, so my silk press does not last, what am I doing wrong? Most of the time you're using products that you would use if you were doing a wash and go or a twist out or braid out. If your products are encouraging curl, and those are not what you're gonna wanna use on wash day. You wanna use the keywords like smoothing, frizz fighting, all of those types of agents. And you're also gonna wanna make sure that your shampoo and deep conditioner align with those same results. Key is always gonna be picking the right products for your foundation and prepping your hair for that style. After I apply my products to my hair, I am gonna go ahead and blow dry. I'm going to first use my Rev Air because I love using my Rev Air to just stretch out my hair without too much tension or manipulation. And then you'll see me go back in with my Dyson. This is my hair right after Rev Airing. My roots, you can see, are they're still a little damp, and then you can also see my hair is just still a little stiff. Nobody wants stiff hair for a silk press. I'm gonna go in with my Dyson and my pick attachment to get my roots and give us some more body in our hair and movement so that it's not stiff when we blow it out. Pro tip. I always see on social media a lot of people doing a blowout or blow drying their hair without any kind of concentrator or nozzle attachment on their blow dryer. If you don't have one, I just want to suggest that in order to get a smooth blow dry and making sure that you're reducing as much frizz as possible, when you blow dry, position it downward so that the airflow goes down your hair. If your airflow is pointing in any other direction, it's just gonna cause extra frizz that's unnecessary, and it's not gonna give you as smooth of a result as it would if you were just being more intentional about how you're directing that airflow. All right, let's blow dry. But as you can see, look, so much more body, so much more movement. It's not stiff as I move my hair. We're gonna do the other side and then we'll go ahead and get ready to press this out. All right, so now we are fully blow dried and all smooth, or as smooth as we're gonna get it, before we flat iron. I am going to put in my clip-ins. I did create a video on how I made these clip-ins. I made them all by myself in literally like 5 minutes. So let me know if you're interested in seeing how to make your own clip-in extensions. I love these and I literally use them all the time. Okay, so now let's get ready to flat iron. This Mizani does have heat protectant. It protects up to 450 degrees. So I don't have to add anything else. If you want to, you're more than welcome to. I'm not going to. I don't like my hair to feel too heavy or anything like that, especially when we're silk pressing. To flat iron my hair, I am gonna be using my Bio-Ionic. This is my 1.5-inch flat iron, and I will have it set to 410 degrees. I love Bio-Ionic tools because they're known for their one pass ability. Like you really only need one pass, but of course we'll always do 2 for good luck. But it really gets my hair smooth, and I've just always used their tools. I've had blow dryers from them, curling irons from them, all types of tools. And I do have a discount code for them if you are interested in looking at investing in any new heat tools. I will leave that down below for you. So we're going to start in the back, and I'm going to just pin up my hair like so. Tap the root and then slide all the way down. And I like using the big iron because it allows me to use bigger sections and just get more done. Okay, so I just finished this side. It's got beautiful body movement. Looks great. Let's get the lights, get some shine. So you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to finish the other side. So we are finally done. I am 100% smooth. My hair feels so good. It's very, very light. It feels very shiny. Feels shiny. Feels smooth. Looks very shiny. It's got great body movement. I think it looks great. So now I'm just going to, I don't know if you guys can see all these little flyaways, but I'm just gonna tame them. The girls that know. You can go in with a little pink lotion and just, keep your hair conditioned, hydrated. You can also go in with a little serum of some sort, or even like a nice pomade or a butter. I am going to do a little pink lotion because a little bit literally goes a long way. And it always takes me back when I flat iron my hair and I put pink lotion in. It takes me back to like childhood. So the girls that get it, get it. But yeah, so just a little bit, and we just put it all throughout my hair. And that's pretty much it. And so you can stop here. You can go in and do your edges if you like. You could go in and bump your ends. You could do a little face framing if you wanted to. I like it very sleek. Like if I'm going to press my hair, I like it to be as straight as I can get it. I just kind of leave it like this. But I like this. So yeah, so that is pretty much it for the video. Any of the products or tools that I did mention in this video, I will leave any information about them down below, so you can definitely look into those options down there. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.